What an honor to be able to welcome 81 heroes from my home state. Some spend a lifetime wishing that they had a chance to meet their hero. How lucky am I that I'm about to meet an entire plane full of mine.
We were pleased to be able to come today, and hopefully everybody that made it here today felt the same way that I did. Yeah. So other than that, why, we're glad to be there.
So, no, but he was a great guy. And then I have another friend further down the wall. So, Eladio Perez. He graduated in 1969 from high school.
It's been on my bucket list to get here to read.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? I am Staff Sergeant Euler, Guard of Honor 2 of the Unknown Soldier. The ceremony that you are about to witness is the changing of the guard.
What are your feelings about seeing the Women's Military Memorial today?
I think that'll be great. I've never actually been there.
We just want to present this to you, your profile that is registered here at the Military Women's Memorial. Lieutenant Colonel Kathleen Ann Smith. This is presented to Sergeant First Class Sandra L. Schaefer. Thank you.